Hello and welcome to OneDay Cloud Platform for developers. We learned before how to build the applications and how to support it with the automations and how we can consume it in the cloud. Today, we will learn how OneDay Cloud Platform facilitates to the developers creating their apps. For example, in e-commerce application, if we wanted to access the store or products info using the REST API, we can use the free hosted API gateway provided by OneDay Cloud. Then, the developer can integrate or synchronize the API data with any other system. In Help menu, we have e-commerce developer API guide in addition to the developer guide. As we see, this is a guide for using the e-commerce application API to get its data that was entered and managed in OneDay user dashboard. And we have example with each API. And all what we need to do is just replacing the app ID get parameter with our application ID and start getting the application data. We can copy any API endpoint to Postman or any programming language that deals with the REST APIs. Let's get our application stores data, copying the endpoint and replace the application ID, which is 1131, and call the API. We will receive authorization error because we didn't provide the authorization to access the private application data. To create authorization key, we need to visit the user management in app management in the dashboard and generate a new key and select some user or some application user to give his similar permissions to the key. Now we will copy and paste the key as a value for authorization request header and send the request again. It will retrieve data successfully. Let's try with app categories API and see the data. We can see similar data in the dashboard also. Let's move to application categories and see similar data, food and snack, technology, etc. Any stored and managed data in OneDay Cloud dashboard can be accessed similar way using the custom designed APIs like e-commerce or using a global API that supports accessing to the any authorized data and resources in OneDay apps. And as I explained before, the data hosting is free in OneDay. The API gateway and authorization keys are free as well. In conclusion, we see how OneDay Cloud Platform can help the developers and save their time in app development by saving the back-end development time for the developed system. All what they need is to develop the front-end system and connect it to the OneDay API Gateway, and they can manage their created or installed application data through the OneDay dashboard. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.